Cybercriminals don't hack systems, they hack people. One careless click, one weak password, one overshared post, and your entire company could be exposed. The good news? A simple training video can stop most attacks before they even start. In this video, you'll see 10 of the most creative cybersecurity videos that boost awareness and skills. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share insider tips on how to make your own videos just as effective. 1. Pause, think, act. This short, friendly video proves cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated. Just pausing before you click can stop most threats. Simple behavior changes, delivered in just 1 minute, make the message memorable and easy to apply.
That one extra moment makes a big difference. Immediately delete suspicious emails from your inbox. Choose a secure Wi-Fi hotspot to connect. Always contact the help desk for their assistance. And do not grant unnecessary permissions for apps.
2. Social media safety tips. Our social posts may look harmless, but they can help attackers. This video highlights 7 everyday habits, like creating strong passwords and spotting phishing scams with clear graphics and a friendly tone.
The risk of information theft, fraud, or a security breach caused by sensitive information being left in plain view. When leaving your desk, be sure to lock your computer and put away sensitive documents.
3. Josie's password Peril. Storytelling at its best. We follow Josie as she learns the dangers of weak passwords. Bright visuals and relatable narration make the lesson stick strong. Unique passwords are non-negotiable.
She has left an alternate way of guessing her password on her public social media. Oh no! Josie's publicly shared obsession for this pop star is an easy assumption for what she might use as her password, that anyone after a simple Google search of her name can see. Oh, and now he's in.
Next, we have Phishing, Vishing, and Smishing. This animated explainer breaks down 3 major threats: phishing, vishing, and smishing. By showing real-life scenarios, it helps employees recognize red flags and avoid falling for scams.
In Smishing, the attacker encourages their target to open a URL in a text. The URL then takes them to a fraudulent credential login page or install malware onto the user's device.
5. Cybersecurity training for kids. Even kids can learn cybersecurity basics when it's fun. This video uses a villain character to explain risks, teaching kids about safe passwords, suspicious messages, and online safety.
I am Dr. Evil. The internet is the perfect place for me to unleash my evil schemes. Through the power of the internet, I can target anyone in the world, especially little kids who don't have good security habits.
6. Social Media Cyber Safety Series. Produced by CYBR, org, and CISA, this series uses simple animation to show common online risks and how to protect yourself while scrolling or posting.
Remember to assume that things posted online exist forever, even if the platform says it disappears after 24 hours or was deleted by the owner. Screenshots and screen recorders come with every smartphone, and it's easier than ever to capture a picture or video of something posted to a social media site. Even if you change your mind or delete a post, someone, somewhere, may have saved a picture or video of it.
7. CrashCourse Hackers and Attacks. CrashCourse brings its signature-style fast visuals, humor, and clear explanations to cybersecurity. Concepts like hacking and social engineering become easy to understand and fun to follow.
These hackers are called white hats. They're the good guys. On the flip side, there are black hats, malicious hackers with intentions to steal, exploit, and sell computer vulnerabilities and data. Hackers' motivations also differ wildly. Some hack for amusement and curiosity, while cybercriminals hack most often for monetary gain.
8. What is a keylogger? Simply Learn's video explains keyloggers, how they work, how they infect systems, and how to prevent them. With colorful diagrams and simple 2D animations, it turns a technical concept into something anyone can grasp.
An unusual internet activity. As Jacob heard about the problems with the system, he thinks of the possibility what could be the reason behind these problems a system was facing with. The conclusion that he came across was the keylogging issue.
9. Holiday cybersecurity safety tips. Holidays are prime time for scams. This video from NoB4 gives 5 quick, practical tips to stay safe while shopping online, from spotting phishing attempts to updating software.
Holiday season to achieve their goals, stealing money, pilfering data, and compromising computer systems. Follow these 5 practices to make yourself a hard target. 1. Only shop from websites and mobile apps that you already know and trust. Don't be tempted by advertisements in social media or emails offering fantastic deals. Criminals send emails and place ads hoping that you'll be enticed by the promise of saving money or obtaining the must-have item of the year. The holidays aren't the time to experiment with new shopping websites and apps. Don't let an impulsive decision become the gift that keeps on taking.
And finally, better cyber safe than sorry, a music video. It's a creative twist from Singapore's Cybersecurity agency. This upbeat music video, featuring a 3D mascot, teaches kids to stay cautious online with the catchy phrase, "Better safe than sorry." Fun, memorable, and surprisingly effective.
Oh no, my account has been hacked!
Use the weak password for all your accounts. Not a smart move, not a smart move. Names and birthdates are a big no-no. Letters, numbers, symbols, all of them count. A good combination is hard to crack. Use a passphrase and you'll be set. Enable 2FA, enable 2FA. Be secure, be cyber safe. Don't get hacked, don't get scammed. Protect yourself and sing this jam. Keep your accounts and devices safe. Better cyber safe than sorry.
So, what makes these videos so effective? Here are a few key things. First, they keep scripts simple and clear. Second, they use visuals and animation to explain complex ideas. Third, they're interactive and tailored to their audience. And most importantly, they're short, focused, and engaging. Don't wait for a cyber incident to wake up your team. Let's create training videos that make cybersecurity second nature. If you want expert help creating your own cybersecurity training videos, reach out to F.Learning Studio. We'll help you make content that's not only accurate, but engaging and fun.